enti sesi ano de ya confirm say eye Mama Agradaa school Mama Pat waba be PMU wo eye prison custody a omunsa kana waje ne tag na nkrofo bebe ebisa say ye mami order babia eye nipadon eda ana se den eno ye question na amanfo ebisa nende eye Mr Ibrahim Kwarteng or the nsem bi e da betu a wachechire mu a ochire mu a se ye de oba prison na kire se eye nidiso obia ne babia order ena eye prison for na be decide say wo koda eye ha sei. It depends on your situation now. What the buy, you know. Now, papa, what church nsem akan nsem ama yahu, but so utie no kana be hu say, ye mami what the baby a emu edwo and I say baby odano a hono a high. What you say? Enti meslo so be subscribe to your channel no. Send the update bianso etomwa onso obenya bi etina wa share ama afofran. Busia ya ba eye Mama Agradaa school. Ye DJ ye jeli no 15 years Chese ababedani adwendwen amanfo bi ebose ebimu so ani age na nkrofo ebisa se ye mama yi ehimfa na oda prison ho ana se oda fie eno your question na ye ebisa onende ye papa Ibrahim Kwarteng obabe cheche nsemu abaiba mu ama ye hu time a eye mama yi ekopie mu wo eye prison ho ene babia oda ankasa na before no ye ntie de ekoso e wore side emra
be wura ye nkomonum no. Would you like to retract Tamauka say Agradaa any Nsawam prison?
Okay.
But actually no. Mpanyinfo no beka say oh.
Yeah.
Which is which?
Yeah, there's no, I wouldn't say there is even a dichotomy between which is which, but truth is truth. Time I make casa, you know, there was a video circulating on social media that seems to suggest Yenuaba, she was at Nsawam female prison on Thursday. I call no akoto bi kra was come on a pain. I'm any panin and I and Tokwama Yenuaba and Wepra. I found that unfortunate. There's a sad Thursday in question, no, she was still in police custody. Ubi and said she was in custody. And usually, when you are convicted or sentenced, there are some procedural or administrative and maybe SSO. So, best sign how be way as SSO warrant. You just don't go into the prison. Okay. The police should have a warrant.
Okay.
And then procedural.
Okay.
And at time a sentence, so pregnancy test, she had to move up and down. And so on and so forth. Intino na adiasa.
Okay.
Friday, and SSO was a holiday.
Okay.
She couldn't have gone, or she shouldn't have, she couldn't have been taken to prison
on a holiday.
Okay. Which is clear. We know the laws. And when I found that video, I said, what is going on?
Okay.
Any paymu. She's in police custody. So I thought it was a bit mischievous.
Okay. And
the media should do better. We should report nothing but the truth.
Yeah.
That is why Crime Check came out to say, and moreover, we don't work, in isolation. Prison authorities didn't come over. The prison in question, I visited there over 100 times. And we thought we should correct that error.
Narrative, no.
And not uniho.
Okay.
At all, and we still stand by that.
Okay.
Until later on, Obai, Saturday and Yumre. Yakrani him say, Omo Edeno Abba. Until we still stand by that. The PR of the Ghana Prison Service, so Madame Fopa Latif, also had opportunity to clear that because now journalists for BBC Bisano.
Okay.
And unfortunately, you could forget about yourself.
Yeah.
And also, until Odibanke, and say maybe can say. Yenuaba ni hono na yenuaba no wo ho na journalist a we interview bisa answer but na Thursday and Friday ne and no sabeka say Thursday and Friday no oni ho you see it's na it sort of tie in to what we had earlier said Thursday and Friday no but it's rather unfortunate so they can say the bank that session say I been mo can say oni ho na owo ho. So bottom line is finally owo ho. Okay. Yeah the number. Okay. Mahunanim. I menene din kom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can confirm categorically.
So say
as she is in prison.
Okay.
Custody.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before you be room, I'm talking some common crane ya share say. In say prisons, there were levels.
Yeah.
Me sure say obia ni obia timifra. I think say it was levels.
Absolutely.
He say Agradaa mudi ono or reverend. And yeah. Yaminipa. said ye nim no
okay
e was society nim no nti ono say no omo wo ba bia ye do omo beko ana omo de omo fra obia.
Okay, so let me do a little bit of education. Your classification of prisons. Okay. Unfortunately, Ghana, you need proper classification of prisons, but the prison service has been doing a lot. Ebine say you a facility for Nkwadaa. Okay. Juveniles. Okay. Into Senior Correctional Center. That is the classification. Unya 18. You found world prisoner. Security no high. Into Senior Correctional Center. Ubrinebeka says security near lax because once Nkwala move up and down. It be school. It be yewe. Now we even have a prison for omo yare contagious disease. Okay.
Yare is sign.
Yeah. So that Yaren Ensane.
Okay.
Your maximum security prison. Ghana, your only one maximum security prison. Urema say yes. Nadia will be Roman. Hona you know atai. Yakosha no hopen. You know that. And just as I said, the prison service. Are aware of the type of prisoners. Okay. As I see, do it. But let me make this clear. Okay, say or you're reverend. Okay. Whether or a reverend or not, I know you're immaterial. Yeah. Okay. If a judge says, young foul, your sentence you to Nsawam, okay, you go to Nsawam. But who runs Nsawam? The prison service will assess the security risk. All right. By assess, psychologically as well. Okay. Say nipa we, the never say be creative problems are more. It is within the power of the prison service. Say. Okay. Once you leave the court and you have a valid warrant, when you are prison, the prison service decides what to do. I know that doesn't mean say flout to the rules of the court. Okay. But a honor wako show masi. Omuna a few rough. Yes. Omkita fear ne safwa.
Omum chere down bedum.
Chere down obedem. Okay. But okofufra, you are not immediately thrust.
But mama the mic and I'm getting he said I mean he's a Mbeno na embraye good melon so be odino entwaso
enti ukofo sana you are not immediately thrust into the main yard. Okay. Prison service almost psychologist. Okay. Or they will take you through what you should expect. Yeah. But they right now we treat crime as a sort of therapy. In Tombe engage you. The weight of the sentence now they will be back for 30 years, will be back for 50 years. So into no be didn't come on best study no maybe answer no who says do koha. And now says say do koha. Okay. Because I do kwa biana a problem for you. Okay. So no, it is the responsibility of the prison service to decide on where to maybe assess your do.
The Ntiambusa I mean in relation to Agradaa no yanyina yenim diamant for kafa no say yes we say why me say waboma po say to such a person ebi obi wo prison ebi kura or a victim and now say ni hu nipa bi a victim na ye de na ba I'm imagining how the reception will be in the prison for her.
Right. It's just as I said, the prison service decides. They are on the ground. Omunim they bibi ado how beba they will curtail it. Okay. And don't forget, say we have baby to say and some female prisoner. Yeah. Say young can't who say prison. It's a very disciplined arena. Okay. And almost knows to be brave to say man because if you look at Nsawam male, it was built for roughly 750 inmates. Right now they house over 3,500. That's Omabroso. A man committed crime to say mema. Okay. If you look in all our prisons, Ghana has 47 prisons. Okay. A man prisons, Oko baby tisa Kuse, no other places. A man and also so because men we are the breadwinners, so we have to fight. We have to do at times unthinkable. Yeah. In the course of it, we are usually trapped by crime because we have to engage in illicit activities and normal emphata. Do baby any pano sanity into almost and as a beer Mama Agradaa assuming say allegedly or ye kasa I see a kasa ye was common crofo nen tokwa BBC wa service never sham se don see ni free hane be ya yɛbɛyi no afiri hɔ
Okay.
nti ɔmo kita saa power no ɛno no ɛni judge bi nsɛm
And the
ɛni court
prison, I mean, officers
Administration.
and administration
Yeah.
in this side.
Yeah.
Okay.
So abusia de kɔ so no ye maame Agradaa school abe okopie mu hɔ na ye papa yi ɔbɔ ye mu nkyerɛ mu no na maame ho wadwe nkyerɛ ɛwɔ comment section wo wie nso ani dem na wa subscribe to your channel no sɛ update bia nso etom a ɔnso benya bi atie na wa share ye videos no ama afoforo nso anya bi atie ketewase enye dodo onunna makra baba